today we're back for another video, and today we're going to be opening Captain Black Silk's Mega Pack from Piratix Crazy Jungle. An item I wasn't sure existed, but evidently it does. So yeah, let's get into this. I actually found this at a co-op, which is strange, because not many co-ops get these pirates anymore. But that one did. It had the same standard Sainsbury's. Have got a photograph, don't worry. Right, let's just get this opened. There's a box here. Right, shall we try and get, oh, let's just open something. For goodness sake. Right, who have we here? Ah, here's our Neon. Baba Boom, who is a duplicate. Oopsies. Right, the logbook, yay. Right, let's sit. Oh, shall I make a prediction for this one? Got cool feet. Weapon. I'm not looking at an actual weapon. I don't know, honestly. Oh, Ave Julius, that makes sense. Because I felt a hook, and I'm like, not many characters have a hook anymore. Or like, that big of one, anyway. I've got Richie armor. No, we have got B. John C, however. New colour. Where's the gold? I think they've given me a gold. Okay, that is slightly concerning. I can't feel one. Perhaps just hiding in the packet somewhere. What's going on here, please? Oh, there's the opening thing. Right. Yeah, there's still no gold. Eric helmet forward, I think. Methinks. And I'm pretty sure this is black silk. Yeah, that's black silk, but I cannot feel a treasure. So this could be very bad. So then I haven't got black silk's treasure. Where is the opening thingy? Oh, there it is. Oh, good, they have put it in. They have put it in. Good job, Magic Box. Good job. And here's black silk in all of his slightly disturbing glory. Right, let's just see. Ah, Vinny Terrine, is this? Oh, I don't know, something like that. In case you're not seeing the logbook, there's this. It's tiny now. It used to be massive and you can get them for free, but now they've laminated them and made them about 2/3 of the size. So, yeah. As I'm recording this, Crazy Jungle Episode 1 released today in English. Wild Master's just Professor K's voice actor, I noticed. Shaka Khan. No, I don't know, guys. I don't know how I feel about the voice actor. Anyways, yes, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.